Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to use ADP Workforce Now. ADP Workforce Now is an all-in-one human resources and payroll platform that allows employees to access pay statements, tax forms, benefits, time tracking, schedules, and personal information from one secure dashboard. The features you see may vary depending on what your employer has enabled for your account. Now let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the ADP Workforce Now login page. Sign in using your user ID and password. If you're a new user, click register and follow the registration steps using the registration code provided by your employer. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. From here, you can view important information such as your recent pay statements, time cards, benefits, company announcements, and tasks. To view your pay slips, click Pay or Pay Statements. To check your work schedule or record your time, open the Time section. If your employer allows it, you can clock in, clock out, submit your timesheet, or request time off. To manage your benefits, click the Benefits section. Here you can review your current plans, update your information during enrollment, or report qualifying life events if available. To update your personal information, open your Profile or Myself section. Here you can update your contact details, emergency contacts, and other personal information if your employer allows employee self-service. You can also access tax documents such as your W-2, update your direct deposit details, and manage your tax withholding information if these features are available for your account. When you're finished, click your profile icon and select Sign Out to securely log out of your account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.